Hello traders, best indicator for day trading. We have many technical indicators available for trading, and we will find out which one is the best one for day trading. So some of the top trading indicators available are moving averages, MACD, RSI, stochastic, Bollinger Bands, and trend lines, support and resistance lines. So the first one is moving averages. So here we have 9 and 21 moving averages. When price trades above the moving averages, that means the price is uptrending. So we can take a long trade with the stop below the moving averages, and we can exit when the price closes below both moving averages. So this works fine when the price is uptrending, but when price is sideways consolidating, it gives mixed signals. So from open to till 12 o'clock, the price is uptrending in this chart, so we can take the long trade and exit when the price closes below the moving averages. But after that, we don't have any clear signal to take any trade. So moving averages works during trending markets. So the next one is MACD, MACD. So in MACD, when the green line closes above the red line on MACD, that means the price has the momentum towards upside. So we can take the long trade and we can exit when the MACD green line closes below red line. But here in this case, even the MACD green line closed below the red line, the price kept on going up till 12 o'clock. So this works better when the price has momentum. So in this case, we may have to use this indicator with some other indicator to get clear signals. The next one is RSI, Relative Strength Index. So when the RSI is overbought, that means price is almost stopping. It's time to exit long trade. But here in this case, already at the open, the RSI is overbought, but the price kept on going and uptrending and kept on making higher highs. So we can't use RSI by itself. We have to use it in conjunction with any other indicators. So that is RSI. And then stochastic. Stochastic is similar to MACD. So when the green line of stochastic close and stays above stochastic red line, you can take a long trade and exit the long trade when the stochastic green line closes or crosses below the red line. But here in this case, even though the stochastic green line crossed below the red line, it kept on uptrending and making higher highs. So similar to MACD, we will have to use stochastic indicator with some other indicator to get clear signals. So on the top indicators is Bollinger Bands. So when the price trades above higher Bollinger Band, then it's time to exit because it may pull back to the middle line. But here in this case, even though price traded above the Bollinger Band top line, it kept on making higher highs with uptrending. So again, similar to the previous indicators, we will have to use the Bollinger Band indicator with some other indicators to get the clear signals. And the other one is trend lines. You can draw trend lines based on the candlestick and find the support and resistance lines. But here in this case, in this chart, we have at the open we have one trend line, and then after that during the consolidation we have another trend line, and then during the higher highs we have another trend line. So even though they act as support and resistance, we don't have the clear signal where to exit a long trade. So that's why we can't use this by itself. We will have to use it with some other indicator, but we will just get to know whether the price is uptrending and where the support is, where the resistance is, where the price may break out or break down. So those are the trend lines, and the next one is support and resistance lines. So we can draw support and resistance lines based on pre-market high and pre-market low, and then take a trade with pre-market low as stop, as it may act as a support. So here in this case, during the open, pre-market low acted as support at 410 plus, and then we can take a long trade, and then we can see if the pre-market high acts as resistance, and if it breaks, then it kept on going up, making higher highs, and made a top at 422, and we can exit when the price starts making lower lows. So we can use support and resistance lines as support as stop and resistance as exit, and hold the trade till we hit the resistance or when the price makes lower lows, or stop out at support lines. But again, we may have to use the support and resistance with some other indicators to clearly identify where we can exit. Or where to stop out. So which one is the best indicator so far? So we may have to use these indicators with some other indicators to get clear signals. But one best indicator is VWAP, volume weighted average price. So VWAP is a single line, and when the price trades above VWAP, that means it's a long trade, and that means price is uptrending with VWAP acts as support. So we can take a long trade above VWAP and keep the VWAP price as stop, and hold the trade till it starts making lower lows, or it may pull back to VWAP and then again keep on uptrending. And same way we can use VWAP for short trades, where VWAP acts as a resistance, and we can take a short trade below VWAP with stop as VWAP price, and then hold the trade till it makes higher highs or when it comes back to VWAP price. So VWAP gives clear signal with minimal effort. You can clearly identify whether it's a long or short and stop out at VWAP. So that is why in the intraday trading, VWAP can be considered as the best technical indicator for day trading. So which one is your best day trading indicator? Comment below the video, like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.